Good morning from Sweet Bottom. Yesterday I noticed the Carolina Wrens in the garage and peeked to see a nest being built. And this was March the 18th. And so I put the GoPro up on the shelf and here's what I got. In my big backyard, you can hear the cardinals. You can hear a song sparrow that likes to hang out in the cherry tree right outside the garage. And the Carolina Wrens calling to each other. I've named the two pairs of wrens that we have in our big backyard, Boris and Natasha, and Rocky and Bullwinkle, in honor of Chris and Carol's Nodeley Lake House, where we used to watch Rocky and Bullwinkles when the kids were little. Fortunately, my placing the GoPro right there didn't interrupt nest building. And the other modification I made to the garage was to open up one of the windows a little bit in case we accidentally close the garage door all the way and hinder her ability to come and go as she pleases. As you can see, I'm sacrificing some of my precious moss in order to make that nest all comfy cozy. At first, when I heard that sound, I thought it was babies, but evidently it's Natasha talking to Boris. And that very well could be a piece of dried grass with some spider web on it, because it seems to stick to his bill. I remember the first time I took a picture of a Carolina Wren making a nest was when I took Grace, who was only 3, to Happy Kelly's house in North Atlanta. And I had my old Minolta with slide film in it, and a Carolina Wren had made a nest in Happy's mulch bag, and you just see pine straw around, a little face sticking out. It's precious. My field camera is out of commission right now, so I'm relying on the old GoPro for footage of this little bird.